We also want to encourage as many people as possible to avoid to embrace burials in public cemeteries that are designated, and that should be the future. Otherwise, the pressure that is in land is, sometimes even people are unable to bury their loved ones, and it creates pressure and fights and killings among citizens. Also come with its own challenges because of population issues. You know that Kisii is one of the counties which should be the role model for purpose of housing project. The housing project that His Excellency is running is meant to resolve the problem of land, which is a very big problem here in Kisii. Hopefully, in the long run, through public participation and engagement, hopefully that we can resolve the question of land in Kisii, which now brings me to the question of security. Part of the insecurity challenges in Kisii is related to land pressure. You report many cases here that of murder. There are very many cases of murder in this county. You also report cases of killing of older persons in the name of, or they are engaged in witchcraft. The reality is that it is not about witchcraft. Witchcraft is the excuse. The real truth is that younger people are eliminating their elders so that they can quickly inherit land because of the pressure of land. So land is a big contributing factor insofar as murder is concerned here, and all these killings that are done in the name of witchcraft are at the end of the day related to land issues. This is a conversation we must continue having with the lands ministry to see how best succession can be expedited. But I tell you, without fear of contradiction, the solution to land issue in Kisii is to have land consolidation, because the fragmentation of land has created pressure. And if there is a county that is threatened to be a slum, if we don't do anything in another 20 or 30 years, is here. And we thank God for the housing project. We need to support this county heavily to make sure that the housing project can progress. That's why in our ministry, we are working together to relocate our prisons, which is in town, so that a major housing project can